Hey guys, welcome back after a long weekend. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed celebrating Easter with your family. Guys, we are almost a month away from your graduation and being done, and who knows what that's going to look like. Hopefully, we'll be back together in May. But for the last month, I'm going to move everything to Google Classroom to make it a little bit easier for you guys to navigate. I know a lot of other teachers are using Google Classroom, so hopefully this makes it a little bit easier to schedule out your week. I've already loaded some stuff in there, but you guys need to get into the class. So in your announcements page and on campus, and I'll probably email out the code as well, but the announcement on top, you just click on that, copy and paste the code, and you guys know how to get into Google Classroom. Obviously, depending on what period you are, second or third, there is a different class code, so make sure that you pay attention to that. Once you are in, obviously, if you haven't seen it yet, we're going to be reviewing this week for our test on Thursday, and that is the only piece that will be through on campus. Everything else will be in here. So if I scroll down, this is the joining for our period for quizzes, but most importantly, that's the code to join quizzes and review. Guys, it's no different. Y'all should be great. You can go back through other videos, and I'll be posting another video tomorrow just kind of recapping and highlighting what all we've done with the reading and the prophecies and the Lord, Liar, Lunatic and that chart. So again, that's Thursday by 11:59. Our weekly agenda is also in here. We're reviewing today and tomorrow, taking the test on Thursday, and we're reading for our last section on Friday. Guys, our last section. That's crazy. The resurrection is our last section, and I'll upload the reading in that for Friday as well, in case you guys want to jump ahead. Again, third period, it's the same stuff, just different class code. It makes it grading a little bit easier for me. Guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. Hope to see you guys soon. Hope you guys are doing well. Love you guys. We'll talk to you soon.